video from Red Ted Art, another quick bonus video showing you some more printables that I have for you. And this one is for Mother's Day, as the American Mother's Day comes up. And of course it uses these lovely printables. Come on, let's take a look and see how easy it is to make. So you will need your printables, your cover sheet, your pop-out sheet and your instructions, and if you want some extra little stickers, glue stick, scissors and some colouring pencils. Now normally I would fast forward this and show you how to apply some colouring, but today I've already coloured it in. So we have our coloured in versions. I did a nice Mother's Day front, I did a heart and some of the stickers. So the first thing you need to do is cut out your heart along these lines. There we go. Now, there's a line running down the middle. You fold it along that line as neatly as you can. There we go. And now you cut up until here. Do not cut that bit, just along here and here. Give this a little fold. Now you push this line at the top in, give it a good crease, and you push this line in and give it a good crease so that your heart folds out. Look at that, it already looks great, doesn't it? Now I'm going to take my printed cover. I actually put this on light card so it's a bit thicker. Again, you fold it against the grey line. Do it as neatly as you can. You can actually cut this out as well if you want, but we might do that at the end. Get your heart and your glue stick and put it right in the middle. So I'm going to put glue all around here. And repeat on this side. I especially like to get it around the edges and the corners. And repeat around here. I especially like to get it around the edges and the corners. And then carefully fold it down from the middle out. Let's have a look. It's so cute. And look at that, doesn't that look amazing? Such a nice heart. And then if you wish, you can write a message. You can trim the card down. I am going to trim it a little bit because I can. And there we have it. And then if you want, you can cut out these little pieces, stick them all over, just for a little bit of extra decoration, and your Mother's Day is done. Isn't that cute? Your Mother's Day card is done. So yes, if you like this card, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And above all, we'd love to see you again soon. Keep watching and keep making. Take care. Bye.